Dead sea salts extracted from Jordan are used for several skin-related treatments like acne, and permanent ailments like psoriasis, and also help with stress management and muscle/joint health. These salts are sold by several pharmaceutical brands and cosmetic brands as self-care products and are used as special treatment products as well. Dead sea salt benefits for skin. One of the best products you can use for your healthy skin is Dead Sea Salt. Here are the 10 Dead Sea Salt benefits for skin. Dead sea salt boosts skin health. Research has proven that Dead Sea Salt boosts skin health by treating skin inflammation. The individual must dip their skin in the water for 15 minutes to cure. Helps in treating psoriasis. Much research has proven that these salts help in curing psoriasis. Symptoms of psoriasis include itchiness, soreness, swelling, and red patches of skin with a thick silver lining. Helps reduce acne. The main cure for excessive acne is sea salt. They are rich in sodium and sulfur, which help in treating acne. Get rid of cellulite. Everyone is insecure about the excessive bulk fat which is gathered at certain spots on their body. They make your body look swollen and bloated. These fat patches are easy to cure with the help of sea salt scrub. The scrub comes with salt broken down into smaller sizes of your choice. This scrub, once rubbed over the excessive fat gathered at a particular area, distributes it evenly all over the body. Cure for atopic dermatitis/eczema. Sea salts are a cure for chronic diseases like atopic dermatitis, which can occur in children and bring asthma or fever in the future. Get rid of dandruff. We all know that the main cause of dandruff is skin dryness. The calcium content present in sea salt can be used to cure skin dryness. Helps improve skin allergies. Bathing in magnesium-rich sea salts can help cure skin allergies like rashes, swelling, etc. Dry skin prevention. Components like bromide and zinc are present in the sea salts that help you hydrate your skin and prevent it from drying. Prevent skin wrinkling. The Dead Sea Salt will flake off dead skin and help you speed up your skin rejuvenation process, that preventing skin from early wrinkles. Works as a natural exfoliator. These sea salt salts extracted from the Dead Sea in Jordan can be resized into small particles and can be used as a natural scrub. As we know, scrub works as an exfoliator. These salts help you speed up your rejuvenation process and remove all the dead skin present on the dry patches of your body.